What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this new assisted living home that we had just acquired and closed on. It is licensed for 10 beds, so I'm gonna give you all a quick tour of the before. We are going to be doing some renovations, so as you can see behind me is actually the living room. We are going to keep these recliners here. We'll remove it as we're doing the renovations. And then to the left, as we go this way, we have the dining and the sitting area. And this is where the residents will actually be eating. We're gonna get this furniture all taken out of here as well. And then to the right of me, you will actually see the kitchen, and then we'll kind of walk into here, and I'll show you all that this wall, as you see on my right here, will actually be blown out, and we'll have this hood vent here that we're actually going to replace, but keep in place with the stove here. And the fridge will be removed. If you can follow me back this way, this fridge will actually be moved back here. And so this will be the kitchen area, and this whole space will be opened up, which I think is going to look great. Room number 5. All the rooms are set up with 36-inch entryways, and then this carpet will be taken out completely, and we're gonna be putting some luxury vinyl, which I think is gonna turn out really great. So for the rooms, we're gonna essentially change out the baseboards, some of the fixtures, but for the most part, everything's already hooked up here. This house is fire sprinklered and actually has a fire suppression system already in place with a fire panel. It was previously used as an assisted living, which is great. And so as we go back through here, like I said, this wall will be completely taken out. It's gonna open up this space tremendously. The flooring will be done completely throughout the whole house, including the rooms. This is the other side of the room. We got 3 more bedrooms on this side. And as we come back through here, this part is probably gonna be where a lot of the renovation is gonna be done, where we got room number 7 here. Currently going to be remodeling during this renovation period is this entire bathroom. We're going to actually be expanding this entryway to 36 inches to be able to fit wheelchairs through here. And you can actually, what we're doing is moving this back. There is a closet, which happens to be the master bedroom closet. We're moving this back. We're going to have a floating sink here instead of an entire vanity, so people can wheel with the wheelchair there. And then this entire shower is actually coming out. We're redoing it. We're gonna push it back a little bit just because the master bathroom is on this other side of this window, which I'll show you guys that shortly here. So we have a closet space that we're going to actually convert to be part of the bathroom here. And so this is gonna come out. We're going to leave a small section here. It's going to be a 1-door closet that will be remaining here in the master bedroom. Again, 32-inch doorway here that we're going to be converting to 36 inches. This vanity is going to go. We're going to move everything. And so the shower, we will be able to actually move the bathroom, take out this concrete wall here, which it's going to open up this entire shower. The shower is going to move. And this is where all the plumbing is already pulled for the shower. And it's just absolutely amazing. You got a skylight right above me. We're gonna move the toilet and the sink over, open up the doorway, and completely transform this entire bathroom and make it so much more attractive for the resident. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. And with that being said, if you guys are interested, make sure to go check out Legion Assisted Living Academy, where you guys can learn from A to Z how to start your own residential assisted living facility. Also, if you're interested in potentially leasing a property like the one I just showed you, definitely make sure to go check out valleyalfventures.com. We are always looking for operators who want to lease from us and have the potential to do so. And also, if you are somebody who just wants to invest in this industry and wants to be a limited partner with any any of our syndications, feel free to also go check out valleyalfventures.com. And with that being said, I will talk to you all in the next one.